balance a chemical equation. Our equation is calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide yields calcium carbonate plus water. To balance this equation, we need to make sure that the number of each type of atom on the left side of the arrow equals the number on the right side. Let's go through this step by step. First, let's count the calcium atoms. We have one calcium atom in calcium hydroxide on the left and one in calcium carbonate on the right. So calcium is already balanced. Next, let's look at carbon. We have one carbon atom in carbon dioxide on the left and one in calcium carbonate on the right. Carbon is also balanced. Now for oxygen. On the left side, we have two oxygen atoms in calcium hydroxide and two in carbon dioxide for a total of 4. On the right side, we have 3 in calcium carbonate and 1 in water, also totaling 4. Oxygen is balanced as well. Finally, let's count hydrogen. We have 2 hydrogen atoms in calcium hydroxide on the left and 2 in water on the right. Hydrogen is balanced too. As we can see, all atoms are already balanced in this equation. We don't need to add any coefficients. So our final balanced equation is the same as our starting equation. Calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide yields calcium carbonate plus water. This reaction is an example of an acid-base reaction. Calcium hydroxide is a base and carbon dioxide dissolves in water to form carbonic acid, which is an acid. This reaction is important in various applications, such as in cement production and in carbon capture technologies.